Good morning, market snipers. Welcome back. This is Jesse. We're getting started right at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, right on the dot as usual. Except for yesterday, we were about 4 minutes late to the party, our own party. We were ahead of schedule. Not sure what happens, but I get distracted with the charts. And then here we are. Started 4 minutes late yesterday. Not today, though. Not today. We're starting right on the dot today, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Hopefully, you guys have some plans to get outside this weekend. You know, whether it's going golfing, going to the park, going hiking in the mountains, going to the beach, going to the lake, whatever it is. Get outside, get some that fresh air. Unless you're in Los Angeles, then probably not too fresh over there. But you know what I mean. You know what I mean. So I'll be golfing Sunday with a couple of my buddies, and tomorrow I don't think I have too many plans tomorrow. Probably just working on some stuff. Got some projects that I'm working on behind the scenes, so probably do some work tomorrow. And then today, got to meet up with my uncle. He's in town. Probably grab some lunch or dinner with him. Anyway, so with that, TGIF. Zalamond 3R. Hey yo, what's going on? What's going on? Doc outside, great idea. A marathon running. Oh, okay. All right. There you go. Yeah, I've completed one marathon in my life, but I was it was a while ago. It was in my early 30s, and then I was training for another one in my late 30s, and hurt my knee playing basketball with the young guys. So trying to keep up with the young 20-year-olds, don't do that, and hurt my knee and haven't trained for a marathon since. So anyways, if you're running the marathon, awesome, Doc. That's awesome. I'm a little bit jealous. Sounds awesome. So I have to stick to the 5Ks now. That's about all my knee can handle. So a little bit of a 5K, and that's about it. Don't want to over push it. I want to be able to walk when I'm older. So there you go. And I've avoided surgery. I probably need surgery, and I really don't want surgery. So we'll just leave it at that. Bitcoin. So if you're new to the channel, awesome. Welcome. If you're returning, even better. We will cover Bitcoin, altcoins. Today will be a little bit shorter. It'll probably be about 30, 35 minutes probably. I'm going to keep it a little bit. It's a Friday. We did all the heavy lifting Monday through Thursday. We posted all the charts. We've been watching them, all that stuff. And now we just kind of watch. We sit on your hands and don't do too much now. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. And hopefully you find a little bit of entertainment, maybe making fun of me, laughing at me with my pronunciations and whatnot. Johnny C, longtime market sniper. Good morning. Good to see you on here. Good to see you on here, Johnny. There we go. There we go. Now the jokes are flying. Get it? Get it? Still getting used to this whole mic stand, mic tripod over here. It's kind of flimsy, but it's maneuverable, and it's better than what I had, just the standard one that I had before. That was only like 2 inches high. So Bitcoin still bullish on the daily chart, right? Still ultra bullish on the weekly chart. Would love to see a weekly close above that 71,100, 300-ish, right? Monthly chart, still ultra bullish, or is flipped back ultra bullish. Would love to see a monthly candle. It's still early in the monthly candle, by the way. Still a lot can happen. Would love to see monthly close above 71,300 as well. But in the interim, daily chart, would love to see a daily candle close above that 73,100. Then I can retire that stupid phrase, "We're still not out of the woods yet." Oh, it's been 2 months. It's been 2 months since, probably more than 2 months since I've been saying that. Probably since end of March. So yeah, more than 2 months I've been saying that. 2 out of the 3 reasons why we are out of the woods already happened. We talked about that, but we have 1 remaining. So let's put on some of the drawings over here. If you're in the Discord, you know why I put this vertical line over here. No exact reason why for June 30th. Just towards the end of June, early July. I posted it in the Discord yesterday. So there's that. So maybe we'll see an uptrend. That would be awesome. We see an amazing move, an amazing uptrend for the next, 3 weeks or so, right? Maybe more, but maybe we see an uptrend for 3 more weeks. That'd be awesome. So we'll see how it plays out. But like I said, if you're in the Discord, you know what that means. Get back daily candle close back above the 73,100 ish, and then rocket ships, right? Then a big move to the upside, and then we'll see how it plays out from there, and we will go from there. See what happens, right? So still not out of the woods yet, unfortunately, but we can see light at the end of the tunnel. We can see a clearing in the forest. We're standing right at the edge of the forest. We're not out of the forest. We're not out of the woods, but man, we could cross that line in the near future. Today, tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, whatever, whenever it is. Oh, well, we're told to go outside. Yep. Well, you can go outside without being in the woods. We had a cabin. We sold it in 2021, right? When price went parabolic for no reason, we sold our Airbnb cabin. And then we'll just wait for the market downturn, whether it takes a few years or not. And then we will buy back in, right? We'll buy back in. Practice what you preach. Buy low, sell high, buy low, right? That's the whole plan. Real estate takes a while to play out. You got to have a lot of patience, right? You got to have a lot of patience. We sold high and expecting prices to come back down in real estate. In some areas, it already has, whether it's, like Austin, Texas. The ones that really pumped the hardest, Austin, Texas, probably Phoenix area, Vegas, and Florida, right? Those are the ones that pumped the hardest, probably. Idaho, right? They're starting to see some corrections in certain counties. So just takes time to play out, but it'll play out just like I experienced it back in 2007, 2008. I experienced it firsthand. So is this time different? Maybe, but this is not a real estate channel, so we're not going to go too far down the rabbit hole on that one, but just letting you know, not financial advice. So let's go. Let's keep going. Ethereum. Yep. Good morning, everybody. Yep. Martina, welcome back. Ethereum. I mean, everything's still bullish. Could it come back for a little bit of a retracement? Sure. Right? Sure. Is that we had the bearish divergence over here, not getting picked up on the indicator based off of these settings. You can see the indicators picking up bearish divergence over here. You can see the indicators picking up bullish divergence over here, not picking it up on this moment, but that's why we also have recorded coaching, so you can spot the divergence yourself. And early on, the indicator will also help you spot divergences like a pro before you feel like you're a pro, right? So bearish divergence here, recorded coaching would teach you how to spot that anyways. But also the indicator, got an alert that's going off behind the scenes. Let's see. So bearish divergence could be a possible lower high, come back down for a correction, put in a higher low, and then go possibly. Maybe it finds support at target 4, maybe a little bit lower. Who knows? But just letting you know what I'm seeing on the chart. Solana, right? Still in bullish territory, right? Still in an upswing as of right now. So we'll see big arrow above that 202. Chainlink, right? A few days ago, when it was started getting candle closes back below the trailing dots, could it come back down lower, put in a higher low at some point, come back up, and then go like that, right? Still consolidating from that wick up to $19.20. Sand has hit target 1 so far after the bullish divergence, higher low. Target 1 has been hit multiple times. You start getting candle closes back above target 1, see target 2, see target 2. So sand starting to look pretty good over there. Filecoin was starting to look pretty good, hit target 1. Doesn't mean it couldn't continue to go through a bottoming phase similar to sand, right? Where, it pumps up, right? Pumps up like this and then goes like that, right? So it's possible. It's possible. Maybe it just goes straight through, right? Like Ethereum, and then comes back and then goes up. However it plays out, right? So that's Filecoin breaking out on the daily chart, and had that buy signal on June 4th, and hold on, pending buy signal on the weekly chart, right? So pending buy signal on the weekly chart, daily chart had a buy signal a couple days ago, breaking on that last downward trend line. You can see that was, a lot of the traders or algorithms out there liked that, and some of the lagging indicators are picking up now, and then breaks out like that. So what's near doing? Possibly putting in a higher low still. We will see. Rari could be going through a bottoming phase for a while, right? We don't know. Could be lagging time wise. This is based off of does it take like a month or whatever, similar to some of these other altcoins, but still bearish. The last sell signal was April 22nd. So we'll see how it plays out. Hasn't even started to really reverse course yet. Has not even started to reverse course yet. So we don't know. We don't know how long it'll take, right? Probably more or something like that. And then looking for that higher low. Dot, another pending buy signal. It's right around target 1 so far. Came close to target 2, but not quite there yet. Double arrow above here. I can't remember why I put that vertical line on, but there's probably a reason. Obviously, there's a reason. Should we just leave it on? There we go. We'll just leave it on. I can't remember. I'll circle back. So start getting candle close back above the target 1 again, similar to over here. Then see target 2. Cardano, breaking news, just in. Posted on the Discord, posted on the Twitter X app, right? Pending buy signal. Speaking of, help me, help you, help me, right? Come over here. Let's do it. Smash that like button, hit that repost button, and just quickly throw in a quick little emoji, right? Let's do that one. 5 seconds, right? It's like 3 clicks for that, 2 clicks for that, 1 click for that. Oh my goodness. Let's do it. The YouTubers are really good at smashing the like button, commenting, and hitting the subscribe button. They're really good at it. Twitter X app, it's the live streams are new to Twitter X app. So, drop the mic. Oh, didn't hear it. It's still on. Don't worry. So, like I said, I'm fidgety. I'm always like this. I was doing this. Now I'm holding on the mic, and I might drop the mic every once in a while. So, yeah. So live streams are new to Twitter X app. So they're not. Everyone's not as used to smashing the like button. That's what we're going to chalk it up to, right? That's what we're going to chalk it up to. So let's do that. All right, let's get back on it. Cardano, the bullish divergence. I posted on the Twitter X app, 51% correction over 84 days, right? 84 days. Yep. Johnny C is good mojo. Yep. Okay. Like a boss. Yep. Awesome. Cardano, Mana, start getting daily candle close back above target box 1, see target box 2, right? See target box 2. Algo, pending buy signal over there, right? A low, possible higher low, arrow up over here. It's already hit target 4, right? So is it going to retest target 4? Possibly, right? Matic, Adam, right? We already laid all this out a long time ago. You think ADA will make a new high? It sucks. Yeah, based on those comments, probably. if you're feeling that way, then probably a lot of other people are feeling that way. And, so most likely, right? Ethereum is dead. Bitcoin was dead. Cardano's dead, right? So probably, uh, but need more people to give up on it. Need more of these comments, and then it probably takes off to the upside after that. So you know how the game's played. It's a lot of patience, right? It's brutal. So I mean, just you'd have to compare each coin individually. So that's a general. I mean, you can't really compare it in general, right? But uh, would it outperform Bitcoin? Probably, right? Bitcoin takes a lot more to move the market. So percentage wise, it would probably outperform Bitcoin, right? But what you'd want to do is go over to a pairing, like the ADA BTC pairing, right? And so since December 2023, Bitcoin's been outperforming tremendously, but you could kind of map this out like this, right? And just compare whatever asset you want. If you have Cardano versus ETH, Cardano versus Bitcoin, Cardano versus XYZ coin, right? That's how you do it. So you've got bullish divergence, right? You've got bullish divergence on Cardano versus Bitcoin. So it's just a matter of time, right? Most likely that uh, after this massive pump from November to December, there's a huge correction, right? Huge correction. So usually it doesn't stay like that forever, right? Unless the coin is dying, which is always possible. But it seems like there's a pretty big community and stuff like that. And I'm not a tech expert by no means, so I'm not here for the tech per se. I'm here for the charts. So that's ADA versus BTC. There is bullish divergence. So when, I don't know. When, we don't know. But that's probably double arrow over here, right? Let's see, put that up over here. Maybe it goes through a higher low, all that stuff, right? So maybe it takes a little bit of time to play out. Maybe not. Maybe it spikes hard like it does back here. So, maybe it comes out, puts in that higher low, and then comes out like that, right? So that could be a possible massive move to the upside. This was a pretty big move. This is a pretty big move. And then this was a massive correction, right? Massive correction. It's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you. It's down against. Yep. So do you sell the bottoms, right? Sell the bottoms, buy the tops, or do you buy low, sell high, right? So depends on your strategy. I look at it differently. I think it looks amazing. I think ADA versus BTC looks amazing. If you're looking to buy, yeah, it looks terrible if you held Cardano the whole time. If you're holding, I'm not a hodler, right? I'm not a hodler. So I swing trade it. So for me, this looks amazing. It's all about perspective, right? This looks amazing for the next possible swing trade. I'm looking at this setup, and yeah, if you held it all the way since December versus Bitcoin, it looks terrible, right? You don't feel good right now, right? It doesn't feel good holding it through that whole time. I don't hold it, right? I'm a swing trader. So for me, uh this looks amazing. This looks like an amazing setup. I don't know. It's all perspective. And then you come back over here, that plus the daily chart versus the dollar. I mean, you're selling lows, right? You're selling lows. I don't know. That's up to you. That's up to you, right? This is a good time to buy. This is a good time to sell, right? This is a good time to buy. This is a good time to sell. It's a good time to buy, possibly, right? I don't know. I don't know. No ADA got this. Price is low, but tech is great. Cool, cool, cool. It's just made a new low in the long term. It made a new low on the long term. No, it didn't. A to BTC maybe, but this is the low over here, October 2023, down at 25 cents. So if you look at, yeah, maybe against BTC, but if you look at over here, this is a possible macro higher low, right? So this is a higher high over here, and then you got a higher low, higher high, and then back all the way over here. This could be another macro higher high, higher low. Too early to say, but I don't know. Maybe you're talking about Cardano versus BTC, but I mean, it made a new low from over here on the Cardano versus BTC, but it's higher than it is over here before it made that huge pump back in 2020, 2021. So still higher. I don't know. This is the low over here. This is the macro low, right? Yep. But it's still trying to find bottom against BTC on the last couple of years for sure. But it looks a little bit different versus the dollar. So you just have to make your own decisions. But if you held through all that, and then sell it, right? Mm-hmm. 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 And then took off, right? There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah, you're not stalling it. People are probably thinking the same thing. So you're not stalling the show. I'm on here not because I make millions of dollars doing live streams, that's for sure. I think the live streams, no, they still lose money. The live streams still lose money. So we're not here stalling the show and making millions, and we don't have affiliate links or anything like that. So yeah, don't worry about it. We're here on here to sniper the markets together and try to help people. So if you're thinking it, there's probably somebody else thinking it too. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. And it's just my perspective, right? Just my perspective. I'm never going to be 100% accurate, but I don't want to hold a coin through all that pain because there's never a guarantee, right? There's never a guarantee. You know, we talked about it going into the bear market that we probably see 80, 90% corrections or more. And not all altcoins are going to make it. Not all projects are going to make it. Just like not all stocks are going to make it. Some go into bankruptcy, right? Some go into bankruptcy and some who knows? So anyways, no, I don't think you're stalling it. I think it's good to talk about. But we'll keep moving now. Mana, I think we covered. I'll go. Yeah, I mean, we've been covering this every day, right? Every day, any day now. Inch, still not covering it. MicroStrategy breaking out over here. Last buy signal was over here. Small gap up. We'll switch over the indices. NASDAQ is also making new all-time highs. SP 500 is making new all-time highs. Dow Jones, we are somewhere in between. Is this a lower high or is this a higher low, right? We don't know. Could continue to consolidate and then possibly maybe it takes off to the upside after that. But we're just going to leave these lower targets on for now, right? Because until it makes a decision, does it take out this pivot point or does it take out this pivot point? It's in this consolidation, right? Maybe it flatlines and then makes a move after that. If it follows NASDAQ SP 500, then we'll lean towards the upside. Rust 2000, similar thoughts. US 10-year yield, still currently bearish as of right now. The dollar came down, barely touched target 2 over here. Breaking news, wicked down, and now is pumping back up, right? Pumping back up. So we will see how that turns out. So came down, hit this target, came all the way down, barely hit target 2, and then spiked all the way back up. That's interesting. VIX Still at perfect levels. If you're a perma bull, this is what you want to see on the VIX. That's good. Let's switch gears over to the Magnificent 7 real quick and just kind of peek in. NVIDIA is still ultra bullish as of right now. Still currently ultra bullish right now. I'm kind of letting the trending dots catch up a little bit. Meta broke out, had that buy signal over here. Amazon was breaking out, had a buy signal over here. Microsoft, buy signal a couple days ago. Tesla. Is Tesla finally breaking out? Yesterday had that buy signal, and we had this played out where if it was going to break down, then you want to see candle closes coming all the way back down, right? This was bullish divergence. Is it going to establish a higher low? Is this going to be another higher low over here? Is it breaking out of this downward trend line over here? Hasn't retested the 200-week moving average since January 2024, right? Possibility. So that's Tesla. Buy signal again yesterday. Could be breaking out of this downward trend line with the daily candle close. Back above the trending dots. There you go on Tesla. Apple had that bullish divergence as well, similar to Tesla. Buy signal, and then took off to the upside. Google, still in that uptrend. Let's switch over to the Bitcoin mining stocks and anything else that catches our... Ooh, PayPal. PayPal. Blessed for life. You got it. You got it. What do you think about MAGs? What about it? Is that... let me know if you want me to take a look at it. If so, give me all the details. Is it crypto? Is it stock? All of that. Are you long? Are you short? Put in all the details. You still got it in under the 30-minute mark. Try to be early where it gets warm. We don't have a lot of requests anyway, so let me know. Let me know, and then we'll circle back on it. But let's see. HUT over here came up, retested target 2, right? Retested target 2. The weekly chart has a pending buy signal. The weekly chart has a pending buy signal. Retested target 2 on HUT. MIGI, a low, a higher low, possible higher low. It's hit one target so far to the upside. Hive, target 1 so far. Oh, the ETF. Okay, yeah, not holding. We're going to go long. Yeah, we can take a look at it. Looking to go long. It's probably already broken out, right? Let's take. We'll circle back. We'll circle back. That's a good one. But yeah, if all the Magnificent 7 stocks have been pumping, right, then probably the ETF already broke out. Can you look at? And it's pretty natural. I don't know. I'm just speculating, but it's pretty natural to want to chase the market instead of buying low and selling high, right? So it's natural. You gotta fight those urges though. Fight those urges. CIFR. I don't know if we have time, maybe. We're gonna be looking at a lot of miners, and they're probably all looking very similar. Blessed for life. CLSK. Speaking of CLSK, Bitcoin miner pending buy signal over here. Still have that longer term target up here at $27. Weekly chart is still bullish on the weekly chart. So the daily chart, weekly chart is bullish, and you're getting a pending buy signal on the daily chart. This gap is still left open and could remain open for a while. Bitfarm is broke through 2 targets so far. Question marks on the next targets. Longer term target up here. It's already been hit. Marathon Digital broke out of the downward trend line. Back testing will take off to the upside after that, possibly. Riot, pending buy signal and pending MACD bullish crossover. That's why you can't really read it, because it's got a pending buy on both of them at the same time. Pending buy signal and pending MACD bullish crossover. So I like that. I like to see that. Yep, there we go. All right, we're gonna make it. Hopefully, someone lit the daily candle on fire yesterday. Continues to be on fire today. Had that buy signal. We talked about it back here on May 15th, and it's been an uptrend ever since. Right? Is it going to take out this pivot point over here, right? This pivot point, that's the high here. Let's put that on. That's the highest close of that pivot over there. Let's change that to blue. Right? There we go. It's going to retest it, break through it. We'll see. We'll see. Woof. Woo-wee. Woof. Buy, came back down, put in a higher low, another buy, break out of the downward trend line. Someone lit the daily candle on fire as well. Woo-wee. Already took out this pivot point over here at $3. Will it come up here at 387? Possibly, right? Iris Energy, wow. Just wow. Just wow. Broke through this target right here. Someone lit the daily candles on fire, not the closes. Took out this pivot point over here, right? So that's a milestone. Taking out that pivot point over here. It's good to see. Came up here, hit longer term target 2. Longer term target 2. And the weekly candle is on fire as well. The weekly candle is on fire. Longer term target 2 has been hit. Still have target 3, target 4. Bitcoin not only hit target 4, Bitcoin is making new all-time highs. Could we see the Bitcoin mining stocks do that as well? What if? CIFR, we have CIFR, not CIFRW. So probably similar, right? Is that similar or is it the same thing? So weekly chart is bullish. Daily chart is bullish. Had that buy signal a couple of days ago, right? Will it take out this pivot point over here? Similar to the other ones. Let's see, where is that? There it is. There. Now it's dialed in. Yep, longer term targets, all that stuff. All right, so let's see what else. PayPal, almost $68 today. Still have this gap open at $72 all the way back over here, right? Gap left open since August 2023. It's trending that way. We got longer term targets on here. We got a gap at 108-ish. We got the 200-week moving average that hasn't been retested in more than 2 years at 136. We got a question mark on it, trying to capture that trajectory, right? Let's flip over the weekly chart. The weekly chart has a pending MACD bullish crossover. So you can see this stock got annihilated, right? Annihilated on the weekly chart. This was a double top. This was a lower high. Been in bear market ever since, right? Looked like we talked about $50, $51 could be the low. Possible higher lows again. And here we are, right? So here we are. The long-term bullish divergence, higher low. Let's go. There we go. We got a lot of gaps up here. Some of them are big, right? Some of them are big. We got our targets up here. We got the 200-week moving average. There's a lot of reasons to be bullish on PayPal. I think they even replaced the CEO at the bottom, right? Somewhere back in here, they announced the news. If you're all about the earnings, you're an earnings person. You can't hate on these earnings. Maybe they're not amazing earnings, but 3 quarters in a row of better than expected, right? If you're into that sort of thing. So pending MACD bullish crossover on the weekly chart as well. Okay, that's PayPal. What else? AI had that buy signal on the weekly chart last week and getting some follow through over here. AI stock. We'll see how it plays out. Woof. Yep. Let the Jesse out. Yep. I remember that song. What else? I think that's about it. Oh, let's see. Rivian daily chart had that bullish divergence. What else? I think coin is still bullish. Yep. What else? Yes, that's probably it. Let me take a look at some of these requests. We'll circle back and then let's see where we at on Bitcoin. Just keep an eye on it. Just keep a glance on it while I'm sifting through this. Oh, didn't even see this one. Is it possible to check H bar? Yeah. Didn't even see this one. All right, let's do that one. H bar. All right. Yeah, I have it on here somewhere. That spot. I guess I have it on here twice. Yeah, I mean, it's the last sell signal was May 2020, May 23rd, 2023, 2024. Maybe you could draw it out like this, but still in a downtrend, trying to find a higher low, right? So this breakout back here spiked all the way up, came all the way back down, right? So is this a higher low? Is this going to be a higher low? I don't know. Too early to say, but you want to see it flip back around, get back above the trending dots, get back above the downward trend line. Probably safe. Yeah, this is probably better. Probably safer over here like that, right? Or a higher probability, not safer, higher probability over here like that. Let's flip that over to green like that. This be a more aggressive downward trend line. This be a less aggressive downward trend line. So that's H bar. Hopefully that helps. What else? No. I'm not doing that. I'm not in the real estate and mortgage world and anymore. Let's see. What else? What else? Where are the I'm just looking at some of these requests. See if there's any other other requests. Mags. All right, got it. Got it. Let's just do all because I think you said ETF, right? Yep. Mags. That makes sense. Round Hill Magnificent 7 ETF. Okay. Yeah. Like I said, most likely if the Magnificent 7 stocks already broke out and are making moves and you're looking to get in long now, most likely you'd be chasing the market, right? You're chasing the market because the last buy signals were over here at like $38, right? So you had a buy. Now, when price is ultra bullish, aka overbought, aka sometimes when the magic happens, that's why we have a magic wand on there. You're chasing the market, right? You feel like you missed out, so you're chasing. In my opinion, could it go a lot higher? Sure, it could go higher. Weekly chart is ultra bullish, right? There's not a lot of chart history either, so I usually like a lot more chart history so I can draw from, but as of right now, it's just chasing. It's kind of guessing, right? So there's not much there for me personally. So I'm not sure what you can do with that. I can't really add too much value other than just what I thought was, and I haven't even looked at it before, but I could assume that if Magnificent 7 stocks already pumped, most likely the ETF already made its move and you're chasing at this point. So Yep. Let's see what else. Yep. Yeah, you used your all your free credits up. Yep, you used up your free credits, so I think that's good. Yeah, it's gambling. It's gambling. It pumps hard, it dumps hard, right? It's gambling. So, you know, I'm not in GameStop. I've played game in the past. I played it when it was at its height back in late 2020, right? Late 2020, and then I was done with it in early 2021, or whenever it was, sometime around that way. But yeah, I remember that time. I bought in for the cause. I threw $1,000 on it for fun, but I didn't have diamond hands. I took profits, right? I didn't get caught holding the bag because I just have this natural thing that I want, a natural draw to me that I want to lock in profits, right? Uh, so, anyways, that's that. I see one more. I think I saw one more. Let's see. We're about 40 minutes on a Friday. All right, blessed for life. CIFR. Let's go BLQC. What is that? BLQC. BlackRock Inc. Which one? Get Rick's Block Query? Probably this one, right? OTC maybe? I don't know. You gotta give when there's two symbols, you gotta let me know. Maybe it's not that one. It's down 3.72%. So is this it? Is this let's see. Company participate. Nope. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if that's the right one or not. Let's see what else. Oh, yes. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's still bearish as of right now. So nothing yet. Weekly chart, still bearish on the weekly chart, right? Had that last sell signal over here. So wouldn't say so yet. Maybe it takes some time to play out. Maybe not. So daily chart, right? Monthly chart. Yeah. I don't know. It's not going to be added to my watch list, that's for sure. So sorry, Charlie. This one's definitely not getting added to my watch list yet. Get back to me in a few months, see what happens. maybe a few months, maybe I change my mind, but as of right now, probably not. So hopefully that helps. Let's circle back. Let's just take a quick glance at Bitcoin. We're at 42 minutes. Yep. Yep. There you go. There you go. So we'll see how it plays out. We will see how it plays out. Filecoin's only up 10% today. It was up 12.5 or 13%. Ugh. We need it 50% in a day. That'd be awesome. 50%. Let's start seeing some of those big green candles. Yep, you got it. You got it. Thanks again, everyone. Thank you for all of your support. Make sure to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, repost button, comment, all that stuff. I would appreciate it. Helps me, help you, help me with the algorithms, all that stuff. And I hope you have a good weekend. Hope you have a good rest of your day. And get outside, get some of that vitamin D. And we will see you on the next live stream. I think it's Monday. I have to double check the calendar. But I'm no longer in the banking world, so I don't know when the holidays are anymore. I always have to check. So with that, thanks again. Appreciate all of you, and we will see you on the next live stream. Have a good weekend.